Hi everybody, John here with SoCal Outdoor Adventure. It's great to be back here with you today. And we are out here up here and finally out in the woods again, back in beautiful Steckle Park. For today's video, I'm going to be talking about one of three fishing kits that I currently use. So stick around. Alright my friends, so we're going to go ahead and start off, before we go and get into the contents of my Hidden Woodsman backpack here, we're going to go and start off with the contents of the belt kit, of the belt pack. So the bag in question that I'm using to carry some of the contents in is going to be by Fuel Line Pro Sports. This is a very nice bag. I carried this with me for quite a long time. It's very comfortable on the hips. No issues whatsoever, even with me carrying my cell phone as well as my multi-tool on my hip. Definitely no problem whatsoever. It's got a really nice ride to it. On the side of this fanny pack, you got two water bottle pouches. So right now I've got two water bottles, and one of them is actually filled to max. The other one has a little bit of water in it, which, by the way, it's warm, but it's not warm. Personally, I'm not a big fan of warm water. I just forgot to throw these in the fridge. Alright, next thing we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go over the inside contents of this particular bag. So you have two main pouches. You have two pouches, a main pouch, and then a small consumables pouch right here on the front of the bag, right here. Hopefully you guys can see that with the sun. I do apologize for the glare of the sun there. So inside the bag we have our hook keys, fishing hooks. And these hook keys allow me to go ahead and straighten up my hooks and get them ready for when I go fishing. I've got a leather pair of gloves. I've got some power bait here. I got some power worms. I've also got some wet wipes, 20-pack of wet wipes. These do come in very handy, especially to be safe with COVID going on and everything. I'm not going to talk about that. I've got some more power bait here. These are, let's see, what kind of baits are these guys? So I got two different ones. I've got orange, silver, and chartoise, and then I've also got the Pearl White and Floral Orange power baits. I was up at Lake Arrowhead last year, and I was talking to this fella up there who was doing some fishing, and he highly recommended these power baits for fishing. I haven't had a chance to try them just yet, but hopefully I'm looking forward to trying these out. I've also got with me my chain for my fish. So what I'll do is I'll find a place or some type of a pole or stick or a piece of, or a large log. I'll wrap it around it. When I catch my fish, hook them up here and then stick them in and then put them in the water. Let's go and put that back. And then we've also got my multi-purpose multi-spice system, which has garlic salt, cayenne, black pepper, salt, paprika, curry, and that's about it. This thing's really cool, by the way. You can actually find these at Walmart. This thing is awesome. So we're going to go ahead and put these some of these contents back into the fanny pack here real quick so I don't forget them. And then in the small front pouch here, we got a small blister relief kit, some extra hooks, some extra fishing hooks, and this is by Warrior. I believe it's a Japanese company, if I'm not mistaken. Got these off Amazon. And then I've also got a Yuko light. Which doubles as a lantern. I know you guys probably cannot see that because it's too light out here. I'll have to do a dark scenario when I'm camping to show you guys this little light. It works really good. Okay, so that's the pack. So then we've got on the right hand side of the bag, we've got the Bear Grylls water bottle along with the Bear Grylls canteen, and also have the holder for both units. You've seen a review on this before, so I'm not going to go into full detail about this guy. On the left hand side, we've got this military style pouch. This is by Tactical Tailor. On the inside of this guy, I have, going to open up, it's a dump pouch. I have my stove. This is a portable stove by Stansport. A review on this is going to be coming up very soon. Sterno can fuel. Sweet Fire fire starter. Extra carabiners. And of course, insect repellent, repel insect repellent, and it repels mosquitoes for about 6 hours. So this works great, especially if I'm going to go fishing along a lake or a river. Now, the one thing that you obviously did not see in this bag is going to be a. It's really hot today. The one thing you did not see in this bag is going to be a fuel canister for this particular stove here, and that's because it's going to be in this bag. So I'm going to go and put the rest of my contents back in here real quick, and then we'll talk about the backpack. Alright, next thing we're going to go and check out right now is we're going to go ahead and check out what is inside my hidden Woodsman backpack. First thing you will notice right away, there's no hatchet or axe on the bag. Typically I do bring one, but I decided not to. First up is my coffee. This is my coffee kit. The next I have is my AeroPress Go fridge press, and I do use this when I go hiking, or when I go out for the day, or I have used this in my through hiking kit. So this is going to be part of that through hiking kit. So this works really well. I have a Stanley cook pot with 2 of the hard plastic cups. These cups right here. I'm going to take one of these out and redo this kit a little bit. But I absolutely love this little pot. This pot works really well. Really well. Set that off to the side right here. Got some duct tape. Gorilla brand. Here it is. My stove. Not my stove. my canister fuel for my stove. This is Primus. Next is my knife, my typical belt knife, which is going to be the Becker BK 16. I'm going to do a review on this particular knife later on. Still kind of going through the bells and whistles of it, making sure that I don't miss anything. Nylon sheath, which ain't bad. Let's see, I've got everything out of the pockets here. Next are my fishing poles that I use. Now there is a third fishing pole, but unfortunately I did not bring that with me today. I only have these 2, and these 2 are collapsible. And this is an old bag that I used to carry a tripod in, my old tripod, but fortunately the tripod that I had before this one was by Targus, and that broke. So I decided to replace it with. So I decided to use it to carry my rods. The first rod I have. This is by. This is a Master Granite rod, and this is by. Let's see, what model is this guy here? This is Master Graphite. The maximum line that you can put on this is 10-pound line, 5 to 10-pound line. And it's collapsible. I do have a larger one that I use as well that is also collapsible, but again I didn't bring it with me. Very nice pole. I've had this one for quite a while, for over a year now. It's done me well. Next thing I have is I do have another reel, another pole. I don't remember what brand this is, but this is also a very nice pole as well. Works very well on my fishing reels. Let's see, what else do we... Let's check the zipper pocket inside the bag. Here we go, there's a couple more things. So next thing I have is lure master catchers for my fishing line. Make sure it doesn't lose it. I also have a spin bait. This is a Strike King spin bait. I also have some weights by Water Gremlin Company. Very nice case, by the way. Some more bait. This is by Helgamite. This is the Nico Helgamite. These things are awesome. I haven't caught a fish with this yet, but I'm hoping I do one day. But these guys are pretty awesome. And then I've also got some more fishing bait. This is by Storm. Next thing I have in here is some weights. And I also have, if I can get it out of the bag, here we go. I don't remember the name of this particular one, but this is another thing to help me with my fishing hooks. Very cool piece. Very cool piece of gear. So I got 3 ways to set up my hooks on my kits. And then let me see if I can get it. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh snap. That ain't good. Hold on a second. Sorry guys, bear with me here for a couple minutes. Oh, come on. Okay, I'm gonna go and pull this key ring off. Man, it is really hot today. I'm sweating like a pig right now. In case you're wondering, there's a trash can right next to me. So what I threw in the trash can was the key ring for this little guy here. This is my Gerber Bear Grylls small multi-tool, and I keep for my fishing kit. Next is my reels. This particular reel, this one here, is by Master. Line capacity is up to 6 pounds, 90 yards. Right now, I believe that's what I've got on this particular reel right now, which is really nice. And then my last reel is by Abu Garcia. This is the first bait caster I've ever owned, and I'm learning how to use the bait caster to kind of get used to it and how it works and everything. And so far, I'm liking this. If you guys are interested in seeing how I set up this bait caster reel to do some fishing, leave a comment and let me know. And last but not least is going to be all my baits and lures, and this is by Catchmaster. That sounded dumb. So you pop it from the bottom, and it opens up, and this is everything that I have that comes with the Catchmaster. It's got hooks, weights, some lures, some frog baits, and it's also got a couple of stream baits as well as some fake rubber worms and all that stuff. And then it's also got some large size hooks, and each of them is separated by the compartment. Gonna try and see if I can show you that to you guys without tipping the thing over here. Gonna make sure I get everything back in here correctly. Easy, there we go. And of course the big one here. This kit is really neat. I'm really glad, and this was a great purchase. I got this guy off Amazon. One of my worms got stuck. There we go. Alright. So that's pretty much my whole kit that I have here for my fishing kit. This is actually one of 3 fishing kits that I keep. This particular kit in question is what is called a travel kit. So what that basically means is if I'm going camping somewhere, I obviously have my big backpack. But if I want to go fish, if I'm going to do like tent camping, if I'm going to do like regular stationary camping, basically what this means, what this kit is designed for, is that if I'm going to be in one spot for a while, I can literally leave all my gear behind. If I'm camping with family and friends, if I want to go fishing like by myself, or if we as a family want to go fishing together, I can haul this particular kit with me to go fishing. I can also take this kit with me too when I travel as well. Actually, you know what? I totally messed up, and I am so sorry. This is actually going to be considered my traveler's kit. This is my traveler's fishing kit. So if I'm traveling to somewhere else and I want to go fishing, I can take this kit out, strap it on, go fishing, cast out, have some fun, see if I can catch anything. I can also make some coffee or boil some water to make some food, because I always take, I usually have food in this bag with me, but, excuse me, but unfortunately I did not bring any. And where's that? There we go. So unfortunately I didn't bring any food with me. Otherwise I would cook someone to make coffee, but as I mentioned before, it is very hot out here today and I'm sweating like a pig right now. So it's a little bit uncomfortable. So I hope you guys enjoyed this overview of one of my fishing kits. I'm going to be telling you guys about my other fishing kit that I have later on down the line. If you guys have any questions, leave me a comment down below. I'll be more than happy to answer. I read all the comments and I answer any questions that are left in the comments fully. So if you guys like what you see, go ahead and click on that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber to my current channel. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. And if you're still interested in watching more of my videos, click on the bell icon so that way you'll be notified of any new videos that were to come out. As always, guys, thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you guys are all safe and well. Take care and have a good one. Now get outside and go have an adventure. Thanks for watching. Bye.